welcome back to Gracie and Maggie. Today, for my birthday, I got an Air Track. It's a 16-foot pink one, so I was really excited to open it. We just got it from the post office today, so we're gonna open it up. I'm scared I'm gonna hit it and I think I'll come. Okay, do you want me to help you? No, let's just. Oh my god! Oh my god! It came in this humongous bag. That's so weird. It's in a huge yellow bag. Huge. Grab them and show it to them. Well, first we have this pump, that air pump that it came in. Okay, yellow air pump. And these are our repair kits. So we're gonna open that up in a second. Yeah. All right.
Oh my gosh.
You have to grab this. Grab that side by the belt. I'll grab this side.
Oh my god.
It's a huge yellow bag. All right. This is it. First, before we open this, let's show you the repair kit. So it's an orange repair kit. And so what's inside?
Oh my god, I love this because usually people, they only get pink ones because of the color, but we got one pink and two gray, which is so great because if the pink side pops, we can put a pink one on. But if the gray side pops, we can put a gray one on. I love that.
So that is what we got in the repair kit.
Yeah, I don't think it came
They didn't give you instructions, but I think you have to buy certain glue, but we'll find a video and search that up. We're going to figure out how to do this. We're going to be really careful. Alright, now let's open this up. I'm so excited. Alright, have to
right?
And then there's a string thing over here.
So it's by Inolado Air Track? We're not really sure. We just got these from Amazon.
Alright.
Should I pull it?
Yeah, pull that side. I got it. Oh, it's right color! It's the right color. I was scared that was going to be on Carl. Alright, so it's really big. I love the color. It is so pretty. And now we're going to open up the bag. And I love that it comes with a super nice, bag.
And it has straps if you want to carry it.
Yeah, alright.
Weird, but okay. Do you need scissors?
Yeah. Get that up for me? I'm over here, by the way. There's a plastic bag on it. Alright, again, pull the plastic bag and I'll hold the
We have to pull so many things.
Alright, ready, set, go.
They said I can't talk back, 'cause girls don't talk like that. Am I a little too much for you? Can I bend the rules? If you've ever been a gambler, baby, won't you come and take your chance on me? 'Cause I can take you places your mama said don't go. But baby, what she know about girls like me? If you're feeling brave, yeah, you're feeling like a man, then I dare you to dance with a girl like me. I dare you to dance, I dare you to dance, I dare you to dance, I dare you to dance. Yeah, I dare you to dance with a girl like me.
Sorry for all the trash over here, but this is the overview.
You can do a round off backhand straight back tuck.
I know. I don't know if you guys can tell how long this is, but it's really long.
It's huge.
It's really long. Sorry, that's all
I'm
trash.
here, and it's not even blown up yet, but I can do.
Yeah, I could do a round back handspring back tuck on this. All right.
Oh my god. Yeah. Now we have to assemble this little guy.
All right. Let's figure this out. We're gonna figure this out. Yeah, the color's really cute. It has candles. We're gonna figure out how to blow this up. So I'm guessing this is the tube.
Yeah, that you have to. I think you have to put it in this. We're gonna read the instructions.
Yeah, because we don't want to mess this up. All right.
good angle, and it's probably not as blown up as it's supposed to be, but it's good. And it's so long, guys. Ooh, almost. I'm not good at handsprings anyway, so. We thought it's so easy to blow up. It literally takes a couple seconds. The try for a handspring? Yeah. Try for a handspring. Oh my god, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt at all. It doesn't hurt. I'm gonna try power harder for an handspring. Oh, almost. But it doesn't hurt. It's just like a big like pillow. It's just like you guys might not think it's like soft because it's so blown up, but it actually is really like soft. It doesn't. I thought it was gonna like hurt a little bit when you fell because it was so blown up.
It just bounces you up. It's like so much fun.
Oh,
Like it doesn't hurt at all. It's just
Gracie, you just get hurt.
what?
No. You just go like you just like bounce down and you just go like go up. But it's so much fun. We're gonna show you guys better footage when we get outside. But right now it's raining outside.
Hopefully it clears up today.
Yeah, hopefully it does. It's only like 10 in the morning right now, so.
But we were so excited.
Oh! I'm gonna try to land again. Guys, don't worry, I'm a good gymnast. I can do a front handspring. I'm just really bad at power hurdles.
And Grace is gonna teach me how to do it. Round off my hamstring.
Well, not yet, but she has to get her round off good.
I'm really good at round off though.
She's gonna be much easier. Pop your hands up. Pop. That's better. I'm gonna do.
I was scared it was gonna come in red though. So it's like the perfect though.
It's such a pretty.
But when you bounce on it,
I'm gonna do some bridges just so I get used to the. Should I try an aerial? Should I try my aerial? I have my aerial, guys.
oh my god, you're gonna be able to do your aerial so well.
Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna hit this because we have like a bent thing right here. Scared I'm.
But I'm happy this like always they come in just like the base color like of your thing, but ours came in gray and pink.
Usually
Which
they
is awesome. That was good.
That's pretty good.
And we can connect our mat to it.
Yeah, our mat's in the garage.
So it could be like back. So when you're like really good at like
We
sort of
can
like
check that out.
getting your like front flip or something like back flip, you can do like round off right here and just sort of like.
So yeah, we're gonna do some gymnastics and
Math.
well, yeah. Bye.